Hi everyone, for today's video, we're going to unbox our new microwave.
Katika.
What?
Katika.
Katika?
Yeah, Katika. Let's check Katika.
What katiga, anak?
Look.
What's that? Oh.
I want to test another one. Oh.
This is not for you.
I.
Dad.
No, you will make dirty.
Dad.
Gusto ng styrofoam. Magkakalat lang ng... Sige, I will take the box. Oh, whoopsie.
I have another one. I want the one.
Убери пакетик, Николь. Пакетик убери.
Oh, yan.
Huh? Wow.
Wow.
It's mine.
Wow.
This one. Wow, we got What is this?
Oo, keep it. Don't touch the paper because it's the warranty.
I know.
Just need to clean first before we use.
Yeah, I need to run first to check.
Yeah.
It's not working.
Knock, knock, no, turn. We did not use yet. After it will damage.
Dad, what are you doing? This.
Ayan, i-try natin kung gagana at paano gamitin. What are the option there?
No, check here.
Don't touch, it's hot.
No, check here.
It's hot.
It's cold ready. That's a minute. Daddy, never think.
Подожди.
Keep it.
No. I need to break that. Let's have my helper. Let's check for them. And never
Okay, 10 years warranty. 10 years warranty for what?
10 years warranty for microwave
Uh-huh.
and 2 years warranty to have one motor to make it hot.
Ah, okay.
Oh,
Nak, don't touch, Nak. We are checking.
I'm checking Nico.
Yeah. And what are the options?
Hey, how about we check?
Hot.
This one, low heating, unfrozen things. Second heating, third heating, and fourth heating. This is the maximum heating. And this is the timer.
Timer. Okay.
Gee, I just forgot.
Off, must be dim.
How many seconds or minutes you put?
I put only 2 minutes. I put over.
Nicole, don't touch. We are...
Okay.
Machine, it's working.
Wow. Too much.
Tapos na. It's hot.
Yeah.
Can I put you inside, Nicole?
No, I need this one.
Yeah. So, okay na siya.
Check now.